Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review ROBOQI H2, which is a multifunctional Bluetooth speaker with 12 features. So let's get into it. ROBOQI H2 is a hi-fi Bluetooth speaker. It's a fast wireless charger and it's a smart alarm clock and also FM radio. The way its various elements work together make ROBOQI H2 unique and very powerful. It's a perfect speaker which has modern technology into the design. The touch panel, portable and easy. The touch sensitive control allows you to freely adjust and operate. Two incredible high quality speakers can deliver deep bass, powerful and accurate sound.
Bluetooth mode pairing.
H2 has a built-in 4000 milliamps battery which ensures that you can have up to 12 hours of playtime and 72 hours of standby. The screen brightness can be adjusted for general purposes.
Bluetooth mode pairing. Connected. Radio mode. Clock mode.
ROBOQI HQ is designed as a simple and stylish shape. It can blend seamlessly into your room. The front-facing HD screen allows clock while can be used as a mirror. You can select your favorite home color scheme, space black or cloud white. Advanced Bluetooth H2 technology and the aptX support give you most optimal sound for the range capacity. ROBOQI H2 is built-in high-quality microphone. You can pick up phone calls when phone is connected with the speaker via Bluetooth. The distance can be as long as 33 feet. Let's quickly test some of the functions of the speaker: wireless charging and radio. Bass is so powerful. This is the radio. It's charging. Put it like this. It's charging.